Hi everyone, my name is Drea and today I will be reviewing MIELLE Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. And let me just start off by saying I love literally all of MIELLE Organics products, and this one right here takes the cake. It is 59 milliliters and 2 fluid ounces. This is travel size if you want it to be, if you want to apply some oil to your hair on the go, or if you're just like rushing to get to work or wherever you need to be, your destination, and you're like, oh my gosh, I forgot to put oil in my hair, because we need oil in your hair. It's very good for your hair. Very good. Great. It is infused with biotin and it encourages longer, healthy hair. And if you don't know what biotin is the holy grail for hair growth, and it is in literally all of MIELLE Organics products, especially this one. We love a good oil treatment, a hot oil treatment, and you can do all of that with this little bottle right here, and it lasts really long. So a little goes a long way. You don't need to like overpower it, because too much oil in your hair, that's not good, and it's not healthy. It is for daily use, scalp treatment, split end care. What you want to do for the split ends, you just put it at the end. It's pretty, all of this, the directions are on the bottle. All of it is pretty self-explanatory. It's not really hard to use. So the MIELLE Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, it says right here what it does: helps improve length retention, nourishes hair and scalp, conditions dry scalp, and smooth split ends, which is all perfect. And it also says on the back of the bottle, no parabens, no sulfates, no DEA. There's no animal testing, which is amazing. No mineral oil, and just to name a few, that's just everything that they're not affiliated with, which is great. You can use it daily, you can use it for split end care, and you can also use it for scalp treatment. And it all says it right here in the directions, which is perfect. It's perfect. And this isn't one of those oils where it's like super overpowering, so you only have to use like a really little bit. It's great, and it leaves like your scalp feeling so minty and just so fresh and so clean. And it also works. Verified buyer, guys. This is the stuff right here. So I'm gonna open it. This is like maybe my 10th bottle, maybe. But this is it right here. Put a few drops. See, you don't really need that much. It's right here. You see it? Perfect. And then I'm just gonna, just to show you guys, I'm just gonna, yeah, it's nice. Then I can just put it all over. All over my hair. I like to make the bottle last, so I don't really use that much, and you don't need to. You don't have to. Like I said, guys, a little goes a long way. It's not overpowering. It's not thick as you saw it like run down, which is perfect. We love a good oil. All in all, I stand 10 toes behind this Rosemary Mint Oil by MIELLE Organics. It's amazing. It is a 10 out of 10. It's for all hair types, but it's mainly for textured hair. It's mainly for curly hair. It gets through the cuticles way better, and it's just amazing. It's just amazing. All for my curly hair girlies. But I definitely recommend this oil, and I believe everyone should buy it, because you can never go wrong with this oil. That will be all today, guys. Once again, it's amazing. I love it. It's great. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.